Do you need to make a video but have no idea where to start? Don't worry, we'll take care of everything. The process is very simple. To start with, you need to tell us all about your idea or project in a clear and detailed way, so that we can help you meet your goals. With the information gathered, our scriptwriters draft a script about what story we're going to tell in the video. Once the script is approved, the illustrators will be put to work to create the scenes making up the storyboard. In this way, you'll be able to visualize what your video will be like before animation starts. While this is happening, you can also choose the voice you like the most for your video. Great! Now we have the foundations for everything. Once the storyboard is approved, it's time for action. We mix the voiceover, music, sound effects, animations. And that is how you get a unique, attractive and professional video.